Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to understand and visualize basics of graph using Python language. What is graph? Graph consists of finite set of vertices which are also called as nodes and set of edges which connect a pair of nodes. To make graphs in Python language, first of all we require an interpreter. I am using Tony interpreter. As well as you have to import some basic libraries such as networkx, zimpy, matplotlib which I have already imported. Now it's step to draw the graph. Let's suppose I am taking graph name G. My graph G is created, but it doesn't contain any nodes, vertex, edge. Now I will show you how to add nodes and as well as edges in the graph. In graph G, I have added node 1. Similarly, I will add many nodes in my graph G. Similarly, we are going to add edges also. I am going to add edge between node 1 and 2. Similarly, between 2 and 3. And 3 and 4. Now our graph is complete. It contains nodes as well as edge. It's time to now visualize our graph. To visualize the graph, we should have to draw it. Our graph, sorry, our graph G has been drawn. Here is our graph. You can see that our graph consists of 4 nodes, but it's quite difficult to understand which node is present at where. So simply we can debug this error. Here you can see that our previous graph was not labeled. Now the graph G is labeled. So you can identify which node is present at what end. Now we can also change the color of the node as well, like this, of existing graph. Here you can see that our node color in previous graph was blue, but as I have changed it to red. So similarly you can draw the graph with labels as well as you can assign it. Now if you want to check how many edges have you added in your graph, simply now if you want to check how many edges and nodes have you added in your graph, simply you can call this function. It will tell you how many nodes have you added in your graph G as well as also edges by calling edge function. Here it will show you have added total number of 3 edge between node 1 and 2, 2 and 3 and 3 and 4. Similarly, we can add edge between existing graph also. Like in graph I will show you how to add an additional node in the existing graph. Like suppose I add edge between now 4 and 5 and it's time to visualize it. Here you can see that I have in my in graph G previously I have added 4 nodes, but after adding G as an edge between node 4 and 5, the node 5 automatically created. So here we can conclude that in making graphs, it is not compulsory that we have to add nodes first, then only we can create an edge between nodes. It can automatically create nodes as well. For better understanding, let us consider one more example. Let I am creating a graph H and X. Similarly, my H graph is created, but it doesn't contain any nodes as well as edges. Now I am directly going to add edges in it. Here you can see that I have added only edges in my edge graph. Now I will show you how to visualize it. Here you can see that my graph has been created without adding nodes. Similarly, you can create many more graphs. And also creating simple graph, we can also take an help of inbuilt function. It is not as necessary to we have to add directly add edges as well as nodes in a graph, which we have already done in our video. So to add simple graphs using inbuilt function, it's quite very easy. I am going to show you an example of path graph. Path graph consists of n vertices and n minus edges. So let's create a path graph. Suppose my path graph name is P and x dot path I have to pass the number of vertices I want. I am passing 7 vertices I have want. Sorry. My path graph P is created. Now it's time to visualize it. Here you can see that my path graph has been created, which consists of 7 vertices. So it's quite easy to make the graph with help of inbuilt function. Let's consider one more example. I am going to show you how to make a cyclic graph. Let's see. Let cyclic graph name is C. And how many vertices you want? I will pass it 8. My cyclic graph with C is created. Now it's time to visualize it. Now you can see that my cyclic graph is also created similarly with the help of inbuilt function. So we can create simple graphs with the help of inbuilt function. It's quite easy. We have to not add any edges or nodes. Directly we have to pass how many vertices we have want in our graph. As well as we can create a complete graph also. Let's say our complete graph name is xk. Here we want suppose 9 vertices. Our complete graph K has been created. Now it's time to visualize. Here you can see that our complete graph has been created with the help of inbuilt function. So similarly, you can create many more graphs with the help of inbuilt function, as well as you can create according to you. Like previously we have created graph G and H. It is not compulsory that you have to create it but by a particular method only. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any query related visualizing and understanding the basics of the graph with the help of Python language, comment down your query. I will answer it. And thank you for watching and have a nice day.